Sometimes life doesn't break us, it reveals who we really are. This is a story about pain, about the quiet love between a father and a daughter, and a kitchen conversation that changed everything. Her name was Lily. She was 22. She had just lost her job. Her best friend stopped talking to her, and her boyfriend had left her without saying goodbye. It all happened in 1 week, and Lily was tired of smiling, tired of pretending everything was fine. That night, she came home and sat on the couch. Tears fell slowly, one by one, like silent drops of thunder. Her father saw her. He didn't speak at first, but he walked over, sat beside her, and said softly, "Come with me." She looked up, confused. "To the kitchen," he said. "I want to show you something." They entered the warm kitchen, filled with the scent of spices and memories. Her father was a chef. The kitchen was his world. He filled 3 pots with water, placed each on the stove, turned on the heat. Lily sat at the counter, arms crossed, eyes still red. She watched silently. He didn't explain. He took a potato, an egg, and a handful of coffee grounds. When the water boiled, he placed the potato in the first pot, the egg in the second, and the coffee in the third. Still, he said nothing. The water bubbled. Steam filled the air. Time passed. Lily grew impatient. "Dad, what are we doing?" Her voice cracked. Still, he said nothing. Minutes passed. The aroma of coffee began to rise. Soft, deep, warm. Finally, after 20 minutes, he turned off the heat. He took out the potato, placed it in a bowl, took out the egg, placed it in another, poured the coffee into a small mug. Then he looked at her. Eyes kind, gentle, the way only a father's eyes could be. "Lily," he asked, "what do you see?" She sighed. "Potato, egg, coffee." "Touch the potato," he said. She did. It was soft, almost falling apart. "Now break the egg." She cracked it, peeled the shell. It was hard-boiled. "Now sip the coffee." She hesitated, then took a small sip. It was rich, deep. Something about it made her feel calm. She looked up. "Okay, now tell me what this means." Her father smiled. "Lily, all 3 went through the same thing. Boiling water, heat, pressure, pain. But each responded differently. The potato went in strong, but came out soft, weakened, mushy, lost its structure. The egg went in fragile, but inside it hardened. It became tough, closed off. But the coffee, he paused. His voice softened. The coffee didn't just change itself, it changed the water. It transformed the pain into something new, something beautiful. It filled the room with warmth and aroma. Lily stared at the mug, then at her father. Tears came again, but softer now, not from sadness, but understanding. He reached across the table, took her hand. My darling girl, you can't control the boiling water. Life will boil you. It will hurt. It will scare you. But how you respond, that's where your power is. You can let it make you soft. You can let it make you hard. Or you can let it make you deeper, warmer, stronger, like coffee. There was silence, but in that silence, Lily felt something shift. She wasn't okay. Not yet, but she had something now. Perspective. That night, she wrote in her journal, "Today, I learned something. Pain is a teacher. And I want to be coffee." A year passed. Lily got a new job. She made new friends. She still missed some people. She still cried sometimes, but she smiled too. And every time life tried to boil her, she remembered the kitchen, the 3 pots, and the man who loved her quietly, completely. Now, every Sunday, Lily visits her father and makes coffee. It's their little ritual. She sips it slowly, smiles at him, and he always asks, "Still a coffee bean?" And she nods, "Always."